Hi, welcome back to the Interactive Toy Project or a Interactive Toy Project. This is a short video just to show you the process of creating QR codes which will trigger individual activities for your interactive toy. So if you've seen the last couple of videos, we are creating Sasha the Dragon. So we're taking one of our favorite toys and creating an interactive speaking version of the toy. And we have created in the first two videos our pickaxe, which is our logic, which has different AI enabled activities. And we created a maths, a geography, and an art activity. And we had them all set up inside this container, which is all within pickaxe. Each of these generates, as we saw in the previous video, generates an exercise and then reads that out using voice, which is powered by 11 labs here on the left. We don't need 11 labs anymore, so I'm going to close that. You can see in the tests that I've run here down in the bottom left-hand corner, we've used some of our free credits. We just need to be mindful of that as we're doing our setup and testing. So I'm going to navigate away from that for now. But in order to generate our QR codes, all we're going to do is go to this website here, and the link will be on the website. And we'll go to maths, just make sure that the maths URL is there. I'm going to copy that and paste that in. It'll generate it here on the right, and we're going to download it. I'm just going to call it maths. Download that, save it to my desktop. And then I'm going to do the same thing for geography, just double checking that the URL has changed. Pop that in, you'll see that change. I'll do the same. And then the same for art. Again, just double checking that everything changes. This generates a new one. Download that as well. Great, so that's all done. So the reason that we're generating QR codes, I mean, this is all completely optional, as you'll see in the main overview video. But the idea of having QR codes which trigger this activity or experience could make the whole process more interactive. So you could create posters or small, cards or activity cards or anything like that, which you can then use as part of this educational journey to kind of trigger these interactive exercises and make the toy come to life. And there is a secondary option, which we'll do in a second video, which just adds a bit of different kind of interactivity through NFC. It's done in largely the same way. So we take NFC tags and encode each tag with each of our activity URLs, which is what these are here. It's just a different way. Both achieve the same thing. Both will trigger the activity on your mobile phone and allow that that activity to come to life, but it's just different ways of doing it. And again, I'll have a video that shows both of these methods in action. But for now, that's everything you need to know on the QR code side of things.